Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Pad 2 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the face data and screen lock. Then let's tap on the privacy and here scroll down to find more security settings. Now let's tap on encryption credentials, and almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so just tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. If you've got the screen lock, just enter it to confirm, and as you can see, not only we've got this information but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.